In the last video, you learned how to use ChatGPT as a beginner. Today, I'll give you something even more powerful. 10 ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts you can copy and use immediately for work, content, and productivity. Prompt number 1, writing better content. Prompt: write a clear and engaging explanation about topic for beginners using simple language and short paragraphs. Prompt number 2, generating ideas. Prompt: give me 10 creative ideas for content, business, or project targeted to specific audience. Prompt number 3, improving writing. Prompt: rewrite this text to sound more professional, clear, and engaging without changing the meaning. Prompt number 4, YouTube descriptions. Prompt: write an SEO-optimized YouTube description for a video about topic targeting beginners. Prompt number 5, learning faster. Prompt: explain topic to me like I'm a complete beginner, step by step, with simple examples. Prompt number 6, planning projects. Prompt: create a simple step-by-step plan to achieve goal within time frame. Prompt number 7, problem solving. Prompt: analyze this problem and suggest 3 practical solutions with pros and cons. Prompt number 8, productivity. Prompt: help me optimize my daily workflow to save time and reduce distractions. Prompt number 9, social media content. Prompt: create 5 short social media posts about topic in an engaging and friendly tone. Prompt number 10, improving AI results. Prompt: ask me clarifying questions before answering so you can give the best possible response. These prompts alone can save you hours every week, but this is just the surface. In the next video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes people make when using ChatGPT and how to fix them. Subscribe to FutureMind AI if you want to master AI step by step.